Hey friends, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're returning. Today I am stuffing my month ahead binder, and just in case you're new here, what I use to help fund my month ahead binder is this monthly group play by Yancy at Budgeting My Debts. May was a month that was a little bit spicier than others. She wanted to be able to save $105. I'm sorry, not $105. She wanted to be able to save $150. And she actually surpassed that. I think she saved with the rolls that the few where she did double rolls. I think her numbers came to 167. I went ahead and narrowed mine down to 165 just so that I can have an even denomination going into, each category. So today I will be putting 165. That means that I will be able to add an additional $15 to each category. Typically I am able to add $10. I believe, yes, because I usually have been saving about $110. But this month, or the month of May, we were able to get a little bit higher. So I am going to put this away and I am going to go ahead and we're going to see how much progress we have made for our month ahead binder. So I started doing this challenge, or I started saving towards my month ahead binder in February. So I've had February, March, April. This makes the fourth month. Then my fingers are dirty and I have a feeling it's from the money. This month I will be saving, or let me change that again. May makes the fourth month that I am able to add to this binder. So I have $165 here, and I am going to start with our first category. We have 11, and we are going to be adding $15. 1, 2, and 3, so $15 to this. This is for our streaming service. We need a total of $70 to complete this. So we now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We are $10 away from fully funding this category as 1 month ahead. This is our Sling streaming service. I am excited about this. Okay, so let me grab my marker and I want to see where we are. We added $15. So we had 45. So that means we should have $60, and 60 divided by 3 means that we should have 20 icons colored in. So each row is 8. I hope you're able to see this. I think so. So each row is 8. So this gives us 16. And we are going to color in 4 more. I'm definitely going to need to let this dry. And we are $10 away. Exciting. Because I felt like this was going to take forever and I wasn't going to see the end. So 4 months in, we are able to almost fully fund one of the categories. Next category is our Spectrum internet service, and we need $120 to fund this fully. I'm saying 120. It's typically about 105. Sometimes it's been a little bit higher, but we are going to add our $15. So this category should have 60 as well. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and $60. And so we know that we should be able to have 10 colored in. So we're going to color in 1 additional icon. So that's 8, 9, 10, and that is 60. So we're halfway to our goal for this one. Yay us. If you guys have ever saved for 1 month ahead, I guess I'm wondering, how long did it take you? I can be impatient. I don't want it to take a year. But my 1 month ahead technically would be about $5,200. So it may take some time because I'm also heavily working on paying off tier 1 of my debt. And so, there's only so much money to go around. Okay, So next we are going to move on to our third, if I can get this in here. We're going to move on to our third category, and that is life insurance. And to fully fund this one, we need $140. We are adding $15. Again, we should have 60, 10, 20, 30, 40. No, sorry, that's wrong. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I was correct. Okay, so $60. And so I'm wondering if this one is correct. Let's see. It should be 10. And that is correct. So this is, we get to color in 2 more. I don't know why I was having a difficult time with 6 divided by 60. That should have been an easy one, but it is the end of my workday, so I am going to blame that on my calculations. Okay, so $60 for life insurance. This one is coming along. We are halfway there. Nope, not halfway. Okay, so next is our Southern California gas bill. So we pay separately gas from electric and water. And I know some states it's a little bit different, but here we play, oh my gosh. Here we pay gas separately, and then for our electric, water, and sewer, that is another bill. So there are 2 bills. And we are adding $15 to this one as well. And we should have 60. Let's just make sure 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and $60. And so we should have 8, so we can color in this entire row before we are able to color in another. So yeah, how long did it take you to be able to get 1 month ahead? I wish I could do it a little bit quicker, but you know, first things first, and that is debt payoff. Okay, so next is AT&T cell phone. And again, we're adding 15. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And so we can color in 8. So that would be 2 additional cell phones. So all of these are coming along nicely. I am super excited about this. Next is subscriptions. So this is the one that I'm really horrible. I haven't taken the time to determine every single amount for my subscriptions. I really need to, because for all I know, I could be paying double for something. So I have it set for $216, which would be $9 per icon. And let's see if we are able to color in another icon. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So we should have 6, which means we can color in 1 additional. So next is our Allstate car insurance. And I have no idea why this is rubbing off, but each icon is worth $14. And let's see. So 4, we at least get to color in another, but first let me make sure to add our $15. I don't know how much you guys pay in wherever you live. California is probably one of the highest states for the cost of vehicle insurance. It is absolutely infuriating. And of course, it's going up each year, but I'm just not sure why it's so high here. Because we have 2 vehicles, and it's just 2 of us on the policy. And with our age, I I assumed I'd be paying so much less at this point, but guess I'm wrong. Our next envelope is for our Department of Water and Power, and we are adding 15 for 60, 20, 40, 50, and 60. And so we are able to color in one additional light bulb icon. So eventually at some point, I'm not sure if it's when I complete one of the categories and I'm able to start stuffing this amount of money, rolling it into this one. At some point, I would love to do like the randomizing that I do see other creators do, but maybe I'll wait until I'm doing my second month ahead. Not sure, but it looks so fun. Okay, so our third to last category is groceries, and this one's probably going to take a little bit. Each icon is $21, and so yes, we're still going to be at 2 icons for groceries, but we are getting there. Next month, we should be able to color in another icon, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, and $60. Our grocery month ahead that I would like to have at least is $500. So that is why the amount is what it is. Next is for the one car payment that we have, and I like to pay $700 a month so that we can pay it off early. I'm going to be adding another $15, and this one for sure, I don't know, I could be wrong. Let's see, $30 per icon. Oh, I get to color in another one. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. We just made it to coloring in a second icon because they are $30 each. And lastly is our rent, which is getting $15. And each icon is worth $113. So we are definitely nowhere near there. So we have not been able we are not able to color in a house yet, but we've got 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and $60 for this category. And that is it. I am, along with paying off debt, I would have to say this is my other binder that I am just super proud of, because we're making some progress, guys. So that is it for today. This was a very short video. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments how long it took you to get 1 month ahead, if you are a month ahead, and whether you're planning on working towards that goal. So again, I started this in February. We are in May, so we will see. We're 4 months in. I'm hoping that it's complete before the end of the year, but we shall see. And it would be great if we are able to. If not, it's okay. But if you are interested in seeing more of this content, please remember to like and subscribe. Turn your notifications on so that you are notified each time that I upload a video. This binder, for the time being, is only being stuffed once a month, typically at the end of the month after I cash out my challenges. Yeah, so that's it. So I will see you guys. Look forward to our next stuffing, because for sure next month we will have completed 1 month ahead for our first category, and that's going to be super exciting. And what happens is then the money that would go towards this category, once it's fully funded, will then be poured over into our second category. So it's exciting. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.